Alright guys, welcome back. It is now day 2. So as you guys know from the from yesterday night, we were working on the trailer. Now today, we'll be working on the actual boat. So this boat is one of the boats that I got, and this boat is actually one of the boats that I plan on flipping. So right now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna hit it with some, what are we hitting it with?
I don't know.
Engine degreaser, that's what we're hitting it with. We're hitting it with engine degreaser right now. And we're gonna go ahead and get it cleaned up. Yeah, it's not an engine, guys. We know it's a boat, but we're putting engine degreaser on it. We're gonna get it all cleaned up.
Fucking diff fluid in it. Why don't you explain?
I didn't spill diff fluid. One of my friends spilled diff fluid in it, but
Who the fuck had gear oil?
we're gonna get it cleaned up today because we're gonna have to get the interior of the boat painted before I go ahead and start the interior work on the boat. Bruh. So I'm gonna give you guys a walk around. Me and Whitley went ahead and painted half of the boat black, the bottom half. The second half is gonna be a surprise color. The back half is black, the interior is black, and then once I get all the paintwork finished and everything sanded and primer, I'm gonna go ahead and get going on the interior of the vehicle, interior of the boat after the exterior of the boat is painted. Because I did that backwards last time. I did the whole boat interior wise. And then I was like, now I gotta paint. Now I'm scared to get paint all over all the stuff. So I'm gonna do the paint first this time. So in the previous video, what you guys saw, we painted the back half of this boat black, and we painted the bottom half of this boat black. As you guys can see. So now I'm gonna go ahead and get going on sanding down the orange portion of the boat, and then get it primered up for the paint. Last time you'll see this copper orange. Just finished sanding all the way around. Got this little layer all the way around. This top layer, as well as I sanded the, I almost call them steps again. As well as covered these up, CF numbers up. As you guys can see, it's all nice and sanded. I obviously not the bottom layer because it's already painted. We just painted that. Got that seat, that seat, that seat. all this sanded, as well as up here. Now we're gonna go ahead and hit it with that power washer. And then once it's all done getting power washed, I'm gonna go ahead and hope that I have white primer. If not, then I gotta run to the store and get some white primer real quick. And then I'll also pick up the color of the paint that we're also gonna be painting the boat as well. Alright, so let me go ahead and give you guys a walk around. The boat is officially all primered up, and primer is dry to the touch. Now I could go ahead and wow, okay. I could just go ahead and sand the primer and obviously make it buttery smooth and all that good stuff, but this boat is just getting painted to look nice, aesthetically nice, to get sold, so I'm not too worried about that. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on the color. So let me go ahead and show you guys the color now. It is going to be a rose gold with a whole bunch of metallic flake. Let me see, let me get the sunlight. So it's going to be rose gold with a bunch of metallic flake, and then I got a super high gloss clear coat to go with it. So this hopefully let's hope this looks nice. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so your boy goofed. So I got the paint and I started applying the paint, and I was like, why am I going through this can so fast? I found out that rose gold wasn't a rose gold paint with like a glittery finish. It was strictly rose gold glitter. So I'm now 6 cans deep, and it looked like I just primered the dang thing. It is now not about to be the most professional rose gold metallic-y finish I was hoping for in my head, because it's about to be really expensive and it's gonna get sold. So I'm gonna save my money, my time, my efforts for the boat that I plan on keeping forever, or for a longer period of time, rather than flipping it, pay more attention and be more in depth with that boat rather than this one. So let me go ahead and give you guys a walk around right quick of what it looks like so far. So you guys can see it looks pretty patchy on camera, but it doesn't look as bad in person as it does on camera. I'm seeing this on camera and it looks terrible. But yeah, it was just a bunch of glitter. I don't know if you guys can tell, but that's just glitter. So rather than going back to Walmart and buying more of this expensive glittery paint, I'm just gonna clear coat how it looks. It's a good thing I decided to go with a white primer underneath rather than a gray primer, because then it looked even more dumb. So we're just gonna go ahead and clear coat it now and see how it turns out at the end. Well, it's still very sticky to the touch, so I'm gonna go ahead and let it dry a little bit longer.